Yes, good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, student 1 minute students login ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, 1 minute, I'll start class. Okay, students. Yes, students. I think last class. Which one's the last problem? You tell, pa. I think second exercise, first main, second main, third main complete, students.
Sir, third main for D1 finished, sir.
Okay, third main full complete, students. You tell, pa, third main complete. Okay, students. Now start fourth main, students. Yes, students. You take part. Which term of the AP? Fourth main. Right, pa question, student. Third I think second exercise, fourth main. Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? Three, 8, 13, 18, dash 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 is 78? Question mark. Right, pa question, student. Which term of the AP? 3, 8, 13, 18, dash 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 is 78. Is 78? Question mark. Okay, students, say this one is what question, student. 2 minutes listen here. I'll do first one same as it is remaining problem, students. Fourth main and fifth one same concept, students. Student, first to find out A value. Student, A means what? First term. How much is there? 3. Student, next to find out D value. D means what? A2 minus A1. Yes, student, A2 second term. 8 minus 3. Student, 8 minus 3 equal 5. I think D equal 5. Yes, student, AN value is given. AN means last term. How much is given? 78. But which one you find out, student, here? N equal question mark. Okay, student, formula. You know formula? AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Student, first to write formula, substitute values. Yes, student, AN value how much? 78. Right here, 78. A value 3 plus n, I don't know n value, n minus 1 into d value how much? 5. Friends, 78 plus 3, you take this side, minus 3 equals n minus 1 into 5. Friends, 78 minus 3 equals how much? 75. Divided by how much, student? 5 equals n minus 1. Divide, student. 5 ones are 5, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. Friend, 15 minus 1, you take this side, plus 1 equals n. Yes, friend, n equal 15 plus 1, no, 16. See, this one is what? Answer. Yes, friend, any doubts?
No, sir.
Remaining student, once again repeat.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Okay, student, same as it is. Same concept, student. Fifth one. 7, 13, 19, dash, 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 205. Sixth one. 5, 10, 15, dash, 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 120. Seventh one. 18, 15 and half, 13, dash, 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 minus 47. Yes, student, you find out one by one.
So fifth one, this n is equal to 34.
Very good, 100% correct. Yes, same as it is, you find out, students. Okay, students. Same procedure, student. Do fifth one, sixth one, seventh one.
Sir, sixth one answer is 24.
Sixth one answer 24. Good, very good. Okay, students. Yes. Friend, I will do fifth one, student. Yes, students. Fifth one answer 7, 13, 19, dash 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 up to 205. Student, first to find out A value, student. A means what? First term. How much is the first term here? 7. Next to find out D value, student. D means A2 minus A1. 13 minus 7 equals how much? 6. Yes, student. AN value is given. Student, AN equals how much is there? 205. Student, AN means last term. How much is there? 205. But which one you find out, student? N equal question mark. Yes, student, formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Friend, first to write formula, substitute values. Friend, AN value 205 equals A value 7 plus N value, I don't know, if find out N value into D value, how much is there, friend? 6. Friend, 205 plus 7, you take this side, minus 7 equals N minus 1 into 6. Tell for student, 205 minus 7.
98.
198.
198. Divided by how much? 6 equals N minus 1. Yes, divide, student. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, remaining one again 6 threes are. Student, 33 minus 1, you take this side, plus 1 equals N. I think N equals 33 plus 1, no, 34. See, this one is what? Answer. Yes. Any doubt, student? Fifth one. Once again, repeat.
No, sir.
Sir, the seventh one answer is 27.
Yeah, 100% correct. Good. Okay, students. I think fifth one complete. Same procedure, student. Do sixth one. Yes, I'll give 5 minutes. Okay, students. Yes, students.
So second
Tell.
one is 24.
24 correct. Sixth one 24.
Seventh one is 27 now, sir.
Very good. 100% correct. Okay, students. Complete for fifth one.
Yes, sir.
Student, any doubt? Sixth one. Any doubts idea? Remaining students, same process. Student, any doubt? Sixth one.
No, sir, no doubt.
Sir.
Helpa. ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. I will do sixth one. Okay, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Sir, sir,
Helpa.
sixth one, sir. Doubt, sir. I'm not able to do it.
Okay, okay. Yes, students. I will do sixth one, students. Students 5, comma 10, comma 15, dash 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 120. Yes, friend. First to find out A value. A means first term 5. Next to find out D value. D means A2 minus A1. 10 minus 5. When 10 minus 5 equals 5. Friend, AN. AN means last term. How much is there? 120. Friend, but which one you find out here? N. N equal question mark. Yes, student, formula. Sn equals n by 2 into student an formula. An ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ವಾ? Student an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Friend, first to write formula, substitute values. an value 120. Friend, a value 5 plus n value I don't know, you find out. Friend, d value how much? 5. Friend, 120 plus 5 you take this side, minus 5 equals n minus 1 into 5. So 120 minus 5 oh 115 divided by 5 equals n minus 1. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, remaining 1 5 threes are. When 23 minus 1 you take this side, plus 1 equals n. N equal 23 plus 1 not 24. I think n equals 24. Understood, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same as it is, do seventh one. Yes.
Sir, can you do seventh one?
Okay, pa. Friends, complete for sixth one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Yes, students. I will do seventh one. Student 18, comma 15 1 by 2, comma 13 dash 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 minus 47. Yes, student, first So find out A value, student. A means what? First term, how much is there? 18. Student, D equals A2 minus A1. A2 value 15.5 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 15.5 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Both are same. Minus A1 value 18. Tell us, student, D equals 15.5 minus 18 equals how much?
minus 3.5.
Minus 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Okay, student, D equals minus 3.5. And AN value is given, student. AN equals how much is there? Minus 47. Yes, student, but which one you find out here? N equal question mark. Yes, formula, student. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. See, first to write formula, substitute values. Student, AN value minus 47.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Sir, D value is minus 2.5, sir, not 3.5.
wait, 18, 15.5. Point to take 0. 10 minus 5, 5. Here how much? 7, 2.5. 3.5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay. Student, minus 2.5. Substitute value, student. AN value minus 47 equals A value 18 plus, student, N I don't know, if I find out N value. Student, D value minus 2.5. Student, minus 47 plus 18 you take this side, minus 18 equals N minus 1 into minus 2.5. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 18 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Tell us, student, minus 47 minus 18. Same sign is the addition. Tell us answer.
Minus 65.
Very good. Minus 65 divided by how much, student? Minus 2.5 equals N minus 1. Student, get cancel. Minus minus cancel. Notice, student, point shift ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. After point, one digit is there. Take numerator 10. ಅದು opposite ಆಗಿ 0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. I think 650 divided by 25 equals N minus 1. Divide, student. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Remaining 1. 5 3s are 0. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. Remaining 3. 5 6s are 26 minus 1 you take this side plus 1 equals N. I think N equals 27. See, this one is what answer.
Sir,
Tell pa.
sir, can we do it in fraction also, sir?
Your choice. Your choice.
Thank you, sir.
Student, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, students. Yes, complete pa 7th one.
No, sir.
Yes, students, ಬರ್ಕಂದಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ? Student, tell pa yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Right, man, right. I'll give 2 minutes.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Remaining student, I'll give 1 minute, 1 or 2. Okay. Complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, student, take pa next method. Check whether minus 150, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP, is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, dash dash dash. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP, is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 dash dash dash. Yes, students. See, this one is what
Sir,
question.
repeat again, sir.
What pa?
Sir, say the question again.
Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP, is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 dash dash dash. Okay, student. Simple concept, student. 2 minutes. Listen here. Student, minus 150 is a terms of AP or not AP? Find out, students. Same procedure, student. First to find out A value, student. A means what? First term. How much is their first term here? 11.
11.
Okay. Tell us, student, D equals what?
minus 3.
8 minus 11 equals how much? Minus 3. Friend, AN value is given. AN equals how much is there? Minus 150. I consider AN equals minus 150. Yes, student, same formula, student. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Friend, first to write formula, substitute values. AN value, tell by AN value how much?
Minus 150.
Minus 150. A value?
11.
11 plus N value is not given, student. N minus 1. D value how much is there?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Good. Friend, minus 150 plus 11 you take this side. Minus 11 equals N minus 1 into minus 3. Friend, minus 150 minus 11 equals how much?
Minus 161.
Good. Minus 161 divided by what, student? Minus 3 equals N minus 1. Friend, cancel. Minus minus cancel. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, remaining 1. Not possible, student. Friend, the exact divide ಆದರೆ friend minus 150 is the terms of AP. But exact divide ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ student, therefore minus 150 is not terms of AP. Yes, see, this one is what answer. Any doubt, student?
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir,
Tell pa.
sir, I did not get the last step.
What pa?
I did not get the last step, sir, by dividing.
This one.
Huh.
Student minus cancel pa. Idu possible illa. 3 inda 161 divide agalla.
Hmm.
It's not possible. That's why minus 150 is not a terms of AP. Okay.
Okay. So if it was possible, then it's a term of AP.
Yes. In case possible, minus 150 is a terms of AP.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, student. You want one more question or next method? Student, this method in the you want one more? Or next method, pa?
Next method, sir.
Okay. Yes, students. Complete, pa?
Yes, sir.
Take for next one. Is very important concept, students. Just repeat after the exam only. Find the 31st term. Star mark, students. 2 or 3 marks question. Find the 31st term. Find the 31st term of an AP. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38. Whose 11th term is 38. And 16th term is 73. And 16th term is 73. Student question, find the 31st term. Find the 31st term whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, students, see this one is what question. Important concept, student, 2 or 3 marks question. Friend, question what? Find the 31st term. Friend, 31st term, it is denoted by A31 equal question mark. Finish pa? Whose 11th term? Friend, 11th term, it is denoted by A11 equals 38. Yes, student, 16th term. Friend, 16th term, it is denoted by A16 equals 73. Yes, student, 11th term value is given, 16th term value is given. We find out 31st term. Simple way, student. A11 ನ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ A plus 10D ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. How? A plus 10D ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D ಅಂತ. ನೋಡಿ A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ as it is, ಬಟ್ N ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. N ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ how much is there? 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 11 minus 1 into D. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ A plus 11 minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? 10. 10 into D 10D. I think A11 A plus 10D ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಟೆಲ್ಪ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ A12 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
A plus 11D.
A plus 11D. ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟೆಲ್ಪ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ A20 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ?
A plus 19D.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. A plus 19D. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ A15 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
A plus 49D.
49D.
Yes, student. A plus 49D. See, the ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Yes, students. ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಡಿ A11 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು A plus 10D equals how much student? 38. Tell us student, A16 means?
A plus 15.
A plus 15.
Very good. A plus 15D equals 73. Yes, students, see this one is what first equation. See this one is what second equation. Do subtraction, student. ಈ 2 equation ನ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I think first I will take bigger value. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ? A plus 15D equals 73. After you take second equation, A plus 10D equals 38. Yes, student, subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sign changes ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, you take here minus. Opposite sign ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Here plus is there, you take minus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, you take here minus. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 15D minus 10D. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈನ್. ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 15 minus 10 5D. Right here 5D. 73 minus 38 equals how much? 35. Right here 35. Yes, friend, D equals 35 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. I think D equals 7. Yes, student, you got D value. Next to find out A value, student. D value find out madmele A value find out madbeku. How? Here two equation is there, student. You take any equation. The two equation alli yadara one equation tagabodu. I will take first equation. A plus 10D equals 38. But first equation tagande. Substitute D value. A plus 10 into D. D value how much is the student? 7 equals 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 equals 38. So A equals 38 plus 70, you take this side, minus 70. Yes, student, A equals 38 minus 70. How much, student?
32 minus 32.
Good, student. Minus 32. Student, A equal minus 32, D equals 7. But which one you find out, student? A 31st. Yes, student, A 31st. Direct ಆಗುತ್ತೆ student.
A plus 30D.
30D.
A plus 30D. Now A and D value substitute here, students. Yes, A value find out how much is there? Minus 32 plus 30 into D value find out now, student. How much is there? 7. Yes, minus 32 plus 37s are 210. Yes, 210 minus 32 equals how much, student? 178. A31 equals 178. See, this one is my answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
3 marks question, student.
Sir, can you give more sums like this?
100%, man. First you write, after I'll give one more. Okay. Yes, I'll give 5 minutes to write. After I'll give one more problem. ಇದೇ ತರ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ students.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Remaining students complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. I'll give one more students. Okay, student, take pa. I'll give one more question, same concept. Find the 25th term of the AP. Find the 25th term of the AP. Whose third term is 5. Whose third term is 5. And seventh term is 9.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Find the 25th term of the AP. Find the 25th term of the AP. Whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. And seventh term is 9.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Find the 25th term of the AP. Find the 25th term of the AP. Whose third term is 5. Whose third term is 5. And seventh term is 9. And seventh term is 9. Yes, student, same procedure, student, you find out. Same concept.
Sir, A is equal to 3.
Very good. Yes, I'll give 5 minutes, students, you find out.
Sir, the answer is 27.
100% correct, 27. ನಿನ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ. 2 minutes ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡು. Yes.
Sir, is the answer 27?
Very good. 100% correct. $27 correct answer. Yes, students. Any doubts? Remaining students, ಯಾರಿಗಾರ doubts ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, student, you tell pa. Srinivas. Okay, pa. Student, simple way, same procedure, student. Find the 25th term. Student, 25th term, it is noted by A25 equal question mark. Student, third term, it is noted by A3 equal 5. And A7, seventh term is A7 equals 9. Student, A3.
Sir, your mic is muted.
Yes, student. To tell by A3 equals what? A plus.
2D.
Good. A plus 2D equal 5. You got first equation. Tell by A7.
A plus 6D.
Very good. A plus 6D equals 9. You got two equation, do subtraction, students. First I'll take bigger value. A plus 6D equals 9. Next one, A plus 2D equal 5. Now sign changes, student. Plus is there, you take minus. Here plus is there, you take minus. Plus you take minus. Cancel. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equal 4D. 9 minus 5 equal 4. So D equal 4 by 4. Get cancelled. I think D equals 1. Student, you got D value. Next to find out A value, student. Here two equation is there. To take any equation, I will take first equation, student. A plus 2D equal 5. Now D value substitute here. A plus 2 into D value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ 1 substitute equal 5. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ D ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. A plus multiply 2 1s are 2 equal 5. Student, A equal 5 plus 2 you take this side minus 2. Yes, student, A equal 5 minus 2 equals 3. Yes, student, A equals 3 and D equals 1. But which one you find out, student? A25. A25. Tell by A25 equals?
A plus 24D.
24D.
A plus 24D. Okay. Now A and D value substitute here, student. A value find out now 3 plus 24 into D value 1. Student, 3 plus 24 ones are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. I think A25 equals 27. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Finish, sir.
Yes. Remaining students complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, completed.
Take pa next one. Next method. Right, and AP consists of 50 terms. And AP consists of 50 terms. of which third term is 12, of which third term is 12, and the last term is 106, and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Find the 29th term. Find the 29th term. Yes, student, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12, and the last term is 106. Find the 29th terms.
Sir, then A50 is equal to 106, no, sir?
Students, CBSE students ಇದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ
Yes, sir.
CBSE ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್?
CBSE.
State, sir. State, sir.
Yes, students, both ibru idiralva. Don't worry, students. Both syllabus also same. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನ CBSE ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, students, simple concept, students, same procedure. But question what? An AP consists of 50 terms. How many terms is there here? 50 terms. See, first term, second term, third term, and dash, dash, dash. Which one is the last term? 50 term is the last term. Friend, third term it is denoted by A3. Friend, A3 equals how much is there? 12. And last term, which one is the last term? 50 term is the last term. I think A50 equals 106. Find the 29th term. I think A29 equal question mark. Yes, students, A3 value is given, A50 value is given. You find out A29. Attempt for student A3 equals what?
A plus 2D equals.
A plus 2D equals 12. Friend, A50 means A plus 49D equals 106. Friend, this one is what? First equation. This one is what? Second
Sir,
equation.
you wrote 48, sir.
49 pa. The 49 ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. Yes. Okay. Student, you got two equation. Again do subtraction, student. First to take bigger value, A plus 49D equals 106. Next one, A plus 2D equals 12. Now sign changes, student. Plus is there, you take minus, minus, minus. Cancel. 49 minus 2, 47D. Friend, 106 minus 12 equals 94. Friend, D equals 94 divided by 47. Friend, 47 ones are 47 twos are. I think D equals 2. Yes, student, you got D value. Next to find out A value, student. Here two equation is there. You take any equation. I take first equation. A plus 2D equals 12. Now D value substitute here. A plus 2 into D value 2 equals 12. Yes, student, A plus multiply 2 2s are 4 equals 12. Yes, student, A equals 12 plus 4 you take this side minus 4. Tell us, student, A equals how much?
8.
Good. A equals 8. 12 minus 4, 8. And D equals 2. But which one you find out? A29. Tell by A29 equals?
64.
Direct ಬರ್ದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A plus?
28, sir.
Good. A value substitute 8 plus 28 into D value 2. 8 plus 28 2s are 56. 56 plus 8 equals 64. A29 equals 64. Yes. Don't worry, CBSE students. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Syllabus also same students. ಅದು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Yes, students, complete pa?
Completed, sir.
Yes, students, I'll give one homework problem, student. You try, students. In case any doubt is there, you ask next class. Different problems, students. Take a question. If 7 times the 7th term, 7 times the 7th term.
Sir, can you write the question on the board, sir?
Okay, bro. Okay. See, this one is complete, pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. If 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times the 11th term. 11 times the 11th term. Find the 18th term of the AP. Find the 18th term of AP. Find the 18th term of the AP. Yes, students, say this one is what homework problem, student. You try, students. Simple concept, students. Okay, students, still 1 minute is there, student. Today class, any doubts?
No, sir.
Remaining student, any doubts, pa?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you, student. Bye, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.